Give me 10 back right.
This is my boy John's RSX. He just got this like a month ago. What's up, John? How you been?
How you been?
It's on coilovers, MB battles. He's got the interior all done. Mad clean. We're gonna finish up the flat tire. Then we're gonna go do an oil change. Then hopefully later on we'll take the E36 out. Maybe do some stupid shit. I don't know yet. Haven't tested it out yet, so hopefully nothing breaks or rubs or anything. We picked it up last night at like 12 o'clock. The guy drove all the way to us. How you like it?
It's pretty good so far. Engine runs pretty strong. It does have a lot of miles though.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
It's pretty clean for the price. I mean, I got it for the love, so.
It's got the duck bill. It's got the hood is like custom. It's weird. I'd never seen this before, but someone actually took out the cover for the headlights and made the hood slanted. I mean, it's pretty cool, but the lighting sucks. We're about to take my LS400 to go get his flat tire done up the street at Sunoco. So, because we got no other car to take. I don't feel like taking E36 right now. Oh my God. I kind of like this car though. I bought it for 250 bucks. It's got a straight pipe. Everything else is kind of bone stock. I ended up knowing the guy that sold it to the guy that I bought it from, which is pretty cool. And he used to be slammed on I forget what kind of wheels, but it was slammed. Alright, now off to Sunoco. Alright, well, we just went to Sunoco and they couldn't find a leak in the tire, so he just filled it up with air. We're just gonna put it back on and hope for the best. I check all the PSI just in case I'm running low. Alright, that one's good. That's running a little bit low. I'm gonna have to put air in that tire. That one needs air. They all need air except for that one. I think all my valve stems are leaking, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back over to Black Market and have them fix that. But I wish I could drive this car right now. I love this car so much. A lot of shit that's gonna be happening in the winter for it. I'm gonna be pulling out the motor. Let me turn on the light really quick. I'm gonna be pulling out the motor, putting something sick in it. Not gonna tell you guys what, but if you subscribe to the channel, you'll definitely see it. But yeah, this car is my baby. I had this car for almost 5 years now, which is crazy. It was white, it was blue, white, now pink. So, yeah. Let me know if you guys want more videos on this. I'll post more progress and everything. Right now it's looking slow. I'm like working on pulling the motor, but once that kicks in, then we'll be good.
it.
I'm gonna do a burnout.
The car, nigga.
Look at this nigga.
Hey. Get the fuck out.
Drop the camera, that'd be very bad. I'm hanging on for dear life. Off-roading? Oh my. Fuck it. Oh my god. Alright, this is a very bad front tire. Look, this is the front tire at Cambered, 17 degrees, Cambered negative. I hope I don't drop this camera. That's very expensive. Oh, oh, oh. Why is there smoke? That sucks. Yo, my tires rubbing so bad and the smoke's going everywhere. So much smoke. I know, get my driveway. Want me to get out? Nah, you gotta go. It's pretty hard. Oh, that sounds not good at all. There's the big body. We made it home. Barely. Here's your camera. Well, we made it home. Made it back. Yo, your shit fell off. Did it really? Oh my. My rear bumper ripped off. Something always rips off every time we do something. Every time I drive this car, something rips off. No matter if it's the side skirt, the rear bumper, front bumper, something breaks. Like, look. How is it gonna last through that whole trail, the Jake Brown Road, and it can't even last in my driveway? I don't think anything cracked.
Loose on Jake Brown, then here it just fucking.
I don't think it snapped.
I doubt it.
I hope not. Nope, we're good.
We are all good.
Just like that, we're good.
Now we're just waiting for same car.
Oh my, look at the side skirt. Everything's dirty. The screws are falling out. Oh my God. Don't take your car off-roading, especially if it's low. Not a good idea.